What's your name?
My name is Nora Lucia. My name is Nora Lucia.
How do you spell your family name?
My last name is spelled Ceroncuenci.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bogota. I'm from Bogota.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
At this moment, I am studying at the university and working independently.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I am interested in now the different cultures, language, dialects because it's important for our learning.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I am enjoy it with my family and people I love.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
The best way to learn in English is to watch movies in English, listen to music in English, read some short texts.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I could learning another skill. I would like to learn in French. Thank you. Bye bye.